Hello everyone, welcome to the Truck Driver guys. And guys, please, before you watch this video, please guys, I'm literally begging you, feel free to comment, like, subscribe. Guys, literally it's not hard to subscribe to this video because I'm giving you guys so much important and valuable information. I'm spending so much time for you guys. Please guys, it's literally not hard to press that like button and share my video and subscribe and comment. If you guys have any questions about trucking, feel free to comment on my videos, be involved. That way a trucking community can respond, and in many times I will also respond as well. So guys, please do it. It's not hard for you. In this video guys, I will tell you how you can make more money as truck drivers. And again guys, this is very crucial information. I've been researching this. I wish somebody would tell me this 10 years ago or 12 years ago when I became a truck driver. Nobody was sharing any information with me. So guys, I'm giving you my experience, I'm giving you my life, I'm giving you something that can literally improve and change your financial life in trucking industry. So guys, let's begin. Let's start, and I'm not gonna spend a lot of your time. I will try to make this video as quick as possible. Number one guys, find better trucking company. Simple as that. If your company is not paying you enough, if you ask them for the raise, they don't want to give it to you, if there is something that you don't like, guys, don't wait years. Don't listen to your boss. Oh, I'll give you a raise next year, maybe in 2 years, maybe in 5 years. Change your company. Simple, easy, no headaches. If somebody don't want to give you a raise, switch the company. Simple as that. Number two, always improve your health. Yes, this is literally affecting your financial life in a direct way. The healthier you are, the better you are. Improve your health. I have a lot of videos on my channel now about this particular subject. So guys, please watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. Improve your health, because the healthier you are, the stronger you are, the financial stronger you are as well. Guys, improve your health. Always seek for wisdom. Number three guys, start your own trucking company. You will say, oh, it's hard, it's difficult. Again guys, I'm making this video to help you guys make more money in trucking industry. So if you want to make more money in the trucking industry, start your own trucking company. You will make more than a company driver. That's kind of obvious. Yes, it's harder. Yes, it's more complicated. But again, this video is about you making more money. Number four, very important thing, join like a community of like-minded truck drivers. Let's say if somebody else want to start a trucking company and you want to start a trucking company, maybe you guys can do it together. Always join like-minded people. That way it's gonna be easier for you, and you will grow in wisdom, and also you will grow in finance as well. Number five guys, pay for financial advice. You will say, oh, why should I pay for financial advice? I can find on YouTube. Guys, please, you're not gonna find this information on YouTube. That, for example, if you will hire a professional financial advisor that will help your business, will help to structure your business, will help your business grow. For example, one of the guy that I know, he have a trucking company, less than 100 trucks. You know how much he paid for a financial advisor? About $50,000. Yes, a person came to his office, look at his finances. He paid $50,000 for a financial advice. There's a firms that will help you as well, but it will also cost good amount of money. But again, when you make millions, pay $50,000 to make even more. It's not that bad. So pay for financial advice. That way The more wisdom you got, more money you will make eventually. Publish your own book. A lot of people will say, oh, this is not a big deal. Guys, let me make it quick. One of the person that I know just wrote a simple book. You know how many copies he sold? He sold over 650,000 copies. Yes, it's not millions of copies. Yes, it's not 100 million. Yes, it's not the best-selling book in the world, but he made profit over $1 million. Profit just from the book alone. So guys, publish your own book. And number 7, it's last in my video. Like I said, I'm trying to make it as small as possible for you guys, because not a lot of you guys have time to watch my videos. Like some of my videos are long. This video I'm making short. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, please guys. It's not hard to do, and it will help me also. You know, it will encourage me to make more videos. Start other business that is not related to trucking. Why do I say that? Because when you have couple businesses going on, let's say trucking business going down, it's okay, but other business might go up. So as a truck driver, you will use your money from trucking industry to invest in other business, maybe open a store. I'm not sure, but do your own research. There is a lot of things you can do. Invest those money in trucking business. That way, I mean, in not trucking related business, you can invest those money in other businesses. Maybe open a pizza place. I don't know, but there is so much things you can do. That way, for example, your restaurant or your pizza place or some other business would go up. Let's say trucking is slow, it's fine, but you can make, or you have other income from your other businesses. Anyway guys, God bless you, keep on trucking, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and best of the best for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. It will literally help me out, encourage, and like my videos, share, comment. Thank you guys, God bless, keep on trucking.